Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change text outline thickness in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to change the text outline thickness. Go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box, then write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu. You can increase the font size, otherwise you can apply the bold effect and align the text. Now I am go to the shape format menu and choose the shape outline. You can add any outline color. Now I am select the orange color. Go back again, we can see the thickness is low. Now we want to change the thickness. Go to again and increase the wide option and increase the wide. Now we can see we change text outline thickness in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.